Fosco. He's from Joinville, Brazil. And me and Mauro, we have the same birthday, October 16th. And every year we celebrate it together. But these last couple of years, we've been really fucking blessed to get to play together all the time. And it's a deep and beautiful thing for us. And thank you, Mauro. That is a fine, shining example of a human being. Mauro Di Fosco on the percussion.
That's a good man, it's a good man, it's a good man. And if I could just be so bold as to add on to that beautiful statement. Mauro is from Brazil. Brazil is going through some shit. They could use some love. Feel free to support the people of Brazil that are fighting for their rights. That's all I'm saying.
Oh.